Hello guys, this is Dan from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. That is quite a long name and it needs a new display. So let's go. So I will call this smartphone from this point on the Redmi Note because it's quite a long one. I don't think this is a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Is it? Oh yeah. We're gonna remove the back cover first with our pry tool. And I think this is made of glass. David is very careful with this one. We're spraying IPA, alcohol to soften the adhesive. And I think this is the first time the smartphone will be opened for repair. So good quality glue that they've used here. We'll take our time not to cause more damage to the back part of this display. So at this point, the display is really not usable for daily use. We don't recommend that you use a smartphone this shattered. Only if you have to. If you have no choice, you have to run with the cracks. But if you can manage to source a replacement display or a technician who will do the repairs, definitely consider have it replaced. It's not safe for you because it can cut you. Shards of glass can fling to your eyes, and internal components can be vulnerable for even a drop of liquid. So it will seep in through those cracks and your device will get toast. So we have to remove the cover for the main board. We have lots of screws in varying sizes. You can see it's going airborne at this point. We will test the replacement display. We already have it here. We will detach the battery and reconnect it, connect the display and turn it on. So you have the Mi logo, so Redmi, Xiaomi, it's the same. Xiaomi Hyper OS. So to push the power button and open up the device. It's still going through the whole boot sequence, so it's kind of all over the place, but once it settles down, it's all good. So David is just doing preliminary tests. Later on, after the repair, we will test it even more. Going to shut this down. And the replacement display seems to be in good condition. Good colors. The touchscreen is fully functional. So we'll just put that to the side for now and remove the battery. So the battery is hiding the flat cable for the display. We'll put on the side, peel this tape off, and then peel this connector off as well. And now we can detach the display. So the display, we'll have to cut it somehow so we can put our pry tool in. It's already cracked, so it's quite easy for David because it's kind of more flexible that way, but it's also more dangerous. So that's why he's wearing some protective gloves. Just gonna pry through the cracks. Hopefully it doesn't break into million pieces while we put more pressure on the sides here. Slide through the adhesive, soften it up with the IPA. Use some box cutters, slice through the adhesive, and it's like jelly at this point. So we have some progress here. Spraying some IPA on other parts. There you go. And yep, is ready to be pulled out. The connector is already ready for removal, so we just have to pull this out. There you go. So a lot of shards of glass has been left behind, lots of adhesive that we have to remove, so David will just move on to that one. So these are all adhesives. So you're planning to DIY this fix, yeah, it's a good practice if you are an enthusiast. If you want to do this for a family member or for yourself, definitely go for it. This is quite a very common repair. Have a lot of guides, and this Redmi smartphone is not that expensive, so you can practice with it. If you have the proper tools and the interest, definitely go for it. But if you don't want to repair this yourself, go to your local repair service technician, support them, or go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. They will just do the same thing for your device. And this is a smartphone, an actual smartphone for an actual customer. So you'll be guaranteed of the same quality service and quality parts as well. You don't have to hunt eBay or Amazon for spare parts. And you also get warranty. That turns on, no problem. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We are a small business here in the heart of Sydney, and David is always here. He's back from a long vacation, and yep, we'll fix more stuff, so definitely tune in. Hit that bell notification so you can get notified if we upload new videos. And that's it. This is the before and after. Take care, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.